What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce this famous French wine term. There is a little bit of confusion on what it means because it means slightly different things in Bordeaux and in Burgundy, but this is mainly used in Burgundy. Premier Crus are superior quality wines, but they are lower than Grand Cru. Premier Cru designate vineyards areas that are very good, especially around the Côte d'Or, the Côte de Beaune and the Côte de Nuit. So how do you go about pronouncing this term? Premier Cru. Premier Cru with the typical French pronunciation, but in English or American, if you cannot pronounce the French R, that can be tricky indeed. You can just say Premier Cru, Premier Cru, Premier Cru of Burgundy. I hope this video was useful. Here are more wine pronunciation videos just for you. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir, bye bye.